Alright. I know this is going to seem interesting and probably very strange. But yes, we are back. I have two new vehicles. Three if we count the other one, but that's already had a video done on it, so that should be released soon. I've been out. Yeah, okay, cool. And again, yes, I have been to the shop. You know which one by now, come on. It's literally in every single one of them. Anyways, I'll get out. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, no, I decided it'd be a funny idea if I got out here live for you. There you go. Well, it's not exactly live, is it? But there we are. Can anybody guess what it is? No, they can't. Ignore that. That's something else. It's fake. Trust me. I would have to know. Yeah. Alright. So, I'll open it from this side. I should probably do this with my other hand because of my finger. Yeah. What in the world was that noise? No, that wasn't me. Oh my god, right, there we go. Cool. What is it? I don't know. I'll probably end up putting it in the title, as per usual. Because I'm an idiot. So, this was £70-ish. 69 quid. To be quite honest. Which isn't bad. For the vehicle in question. Oh, ain't it pretty? Huh? Ain't it pretty? The doors sadly don't open. No, I think that's the hood, isn't it? No. I don't think anything opens on this, which is interesting. But look at it. It's an Escort. It's an RS2000. I love it. I love these things. And it's the rally spec, as you can see through the window. If you can. There you go. The wheels don't move, which, you know, is pretty cool. It's got the original wheels on it, the original rims. Not got the original tyres, because, yeah. Look at that. Oh. I do like these door handles, the clicky door handles. You've got to, like, click it in on that side, and then open it. If that focus, there you go. Come on, turn the light off. There we go. Little Escort badge. Ford RS2000. I love these things. Like, I love these little, like, Escorts. They are pretty. With the mud flaps. They're actually rubber. They are actually, like, rubber flaps. Shut up. Interesting. Not much detail underneath. Besides the skid plate, obviously. I don't know what that is. I can get off. Little piece of stuff. Yeah. It is in the scale with the other ones. No suspension on it. Yeah. I mean, hell. It's an RS2000. It's beautiful. Anyways, as I said, this is a 2-for-1 special. So let's get this one. So here she is. You will see it in the other one a bit. But yes, it is a 1979 Ford F-150. Pretty nice. Yeah. So I shall try and open it. If it is willing to open. Hold on. It should be down here. Hold on. Alright, hold on. I'm not gonna bore you with this. Okay. So, here she is. The back opens. Doors open. Show you more on the inside than I did. There you go. Hold on, if I shut the door. I did something like that. There you go. Interesting. I'm gonna try and show you the front. I don't think I can get it in shot though. You can sort this in the front. You've all seen the front on the Ford F-150 Ranger before. Well, especially if you live in America. Yeah. The back lights are detailed, which is pretty cool. And then we got the roof. No, these were not bought at the same shop. This was when I went on holiday, which you will see in the episode. Probably released before this or after this, depending on when I do release it. There you go, there's some fun detail. Very, very nice with the radiator and the intake. Or is that called a carburetor? I can't remember. Batteries somewhere here. Find it for you. I think it's over there, like most Fords. This is an American driven, unlike the Escort, which is British driven. But yeah. Overall, pretty damn cool. Also, that is from a lighter, don't ask. Ooh, interesting. Which for the underneath detail, but I don't think there's much. There's a drive line connecting to the diff. And then there should be a drive line on the front. Is this a real wheel? I don't know. I can't remember. Yeah, it's a real wheel. Yeah. There you go. Rear wheel drive. Very nice. Wait, does this have sprung tires? It does. Back ones don't spring. Which makes sense. The front ones have like springs in them. That's pretty cool. The front is sprung. She's pretty damn cool. Yes, it does have turning wheels, unlike the Escort. If I grab the wheel, yes, it does work off the wheel as well. If we can get both in shot there. There you go. But yeah, I'm going to put this back in the box to display it. I don't know where I'm going to put the Escort though. But, hold on. So, I'll grab the Escort. Turn the light off really quickly. I'm going to have to move it. Hold on, we're going to have to move some stuff. So there we are. Along with the rest of them. I just stepped on the box by accident. And not the box, the packaging. But there she is. Not the biggest thing in the world. Not the smallest. Is the fifth Ford, actually. Because we've got the Ford Thunderbird and the Deluxe. And the Mustang and the Escort and that too. So, I will give them that. They are pretty cool. You got a badge. Little bug. Because why not? But yeah. Do like me some escort. Good old escort. Can't beat him. Anyways, I'm gonna have to find out where to put them. On with the editing plan. Anyways, I'll sort that out. Goodbye. Have a good time. If you enjoyed, maybe leave a like. I'm not bothered. And enjoy anything else. Have a good day. Goodbye.